Saltikatamo is back on track. It's been more than a year since we uploaded our last vlog. So here is the first vlog for the year 2020. In this vlog we will be showing you some of the best and adventurous waterfall to be in summer. So this is the place where we ended our last vlog. If you haven't watched it, I request you to watch it before the vlog starts. And we 4 friends went to Gorkha from Chitwan, a place of river and lake. We got a chance to learn more about the history. Although it was a small trip, we had a really great time in Gorkha. So it was already 3 PM. After taking that last drone shot in Gorkha, we went back. So it was a long day and we were super duper tired, so हाम्रो झरनामा गएर बस्ने प्लान बन्यो. So we went to Abu Khairani waterfall, which is located near Abu Khairani. After reaching there, we saw a huge traffic, so we immediately cancelled the plan. यो झरना रोड साइडमा पर्ने भएको भएर नै होला एकदमै इजी एक्सेसिबल छ अनि ट्राफिक हुनुको मेन कारण पनि त्यही नै हो. मोस्टली चाहिँ पोखरा गइरहेको या फिर पोखराबाट फर्किरहेको टुरिस्टहरु चाहिँ धेरै देख्न सकिन्छ यो ठाउँमा. So we moved towards our second option, Jalbida waterfall, which is very popular destination. For me personally, it's the king of waterfall. Although it is a bit far from the highway, you will see a huge traffic in seasons. And wait, so this is not the place where we took break. There is another hidden waterfall which is not so popular. But trust me, you will find more adventure. So somewhere middle of the highway we took some rest and headed towards our destination this vlog is all about. So while we were returning back home, we saw a waterfall near Simaltal. हामी त्यहाँ रोक्यौं and asked the local people about the place. They told us it takes less than 30 to 40 minutes for them to reach there. So we started walking towards the waterfall. After crossing the suspension bridge, हामी Petrol Nepal Samkeshwari Adventure Camp पुग्यौं, which is a kayak school. So we walked through the left side door of the camp. After reaching a certain height, ठाडो उकालो भएको भएर नि होला, we felt difficult walking. केही अगाडि पुगेर we took some rest and again started walking. हामी almost 2 hours देखि हिँडिरहेका थियौं र still we were not even closer to the waterfall. Waterfall sound was coming through a different direction than we were heading to. So हामी तल झर्न थाल्यौं and started to follow the sound. We reached the same place where we had taken rest before. So this time Divas was leading us and he went first and then we started following him. The trails were covered with plants, so we had to make our own way. The route was narrow, slippery and risky, but that is the thing which gives adventure feel. In a while we reached the place and the scene we saw was amazing. So this was it guys. If you enjoyed the vlog, please do like, share and subscribe, and besides that keep traveling guys, because traveling is the thing which gives life to your soul and also brings positivity in your life. In this 2020, let's promote national tourism as well. So share this video as much as possible. Peace. See you in my next vlog.